hide and seek, under the sea, playtime fun with animal friends. Red Crab is having fun. He is playing hide and seek with his friends. I can see someone in the coral reef, says Red Crab. It's Purple Octopus. Boo, cries Red Crab. I found you. Purple Octopus and Red Crab are looking for the rest of their friends. Red Crab spots someone behind the shipwreck. Can you see who it is? It's Blue Dolphin. Boo, cries Red Crab. I found you. The sea creatures still haven't found everyone. There's someone hiding in the big rock cave. Who could it be? It's Green Turtle. Boo, cries Red Crab. I found you. We found everyone, cries Purple Octopus. That was great fun, says Green Turtle. Let's play again tomorrow, calls Blue Dolphin. Goodbye everyone, cries Red Crab. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give us a like. And if you want to know when we put more videos up, please subscribe. See you soon!